So hello guys and welcome. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate the Google Facebook SDK to your iOS app. So let's start. First you need to go to developer.google.com admob/ios/quick start, and from there we need to get the AdMob pod. So first, before that, we need to have new project. Get new Discord project. I'll name it anything. Test ads. Okay, so first we need to add the Cocoapods to our project. If you don't know what is Cocoapods, you can visit cocoapods.org, but it's a dependency manager for Swift and Objective-C projects. Okay, you need to go to your project here, test ads, and then write pod in it. After adding that, it will create new file for you, create a named pod file. We need to open this pod file. In this pod file, we'll add the Cocoapod. We will add the AdMob pod here. So we'll go back to the AdMob website. We'll get this line. We'll add it here. Pod Google Mobile Ads SDK. After that, you need to save the file. Come back to the terminal and write pod install. It will take some time. After it finish, you need to close again your project, and you need to open the workspace, the new workspace, test as.workspace. Okay. After that, we need to add in our info.b list the AdMob application identifier. Go to our info.b list, click add, then copy this key, and here you need to add your identifier. You can get this identifier from AdMob. You can go to AdMob, then to the settings, you can find it there. You need to copy it from there and then add it to your application. Now after that, we will go to the app delegate. In the app delegate, we need to import the Google Mobile Ads, and in the did finish launch with options, we'll add this line. We need to copy this line and add it there. After that, you need to choose which type you need to add. So first we will add the banner. Okay, implement the banner. Sorry, I don't have the net connection. Okay, so for the banner, you need first to go to your storyboard and from the storyboard I will add new UI view, and then I will put this UI view at the bottom. The constraint will be 0 and horizontal in container, and the height of width will be the width 300 by 20 and the height is 50. So this is now our banner, but you need to go to the entity inspector and change the custom class to GAD banner view. After that we need to make outlet to our class. Let's name it add view, add banner view, and don't forget to import the Google here. Okay, the Google mobile ads here. Okay, now in this website you need to scroll down. We need to get this code, this 3 lines. And I'll change it with my variable. So add unit, root view controller, and load. For add unit, this add unit you can get it from your AdMob account. You can make, if you have a new app, you can get it from the new app. If you have already app, you can get it from that app, or you can create new app, add app. You will select, if it's not published, no, iOS, add. It will ask you which type, and after successfully adding a new banner, you will take this one, the banner ID, copy it and add it here, and in that way it will work fine. So I'll run, I will see if it will work fine. Yeah, it's working fine. Nice job. This is and this is for banner. So small recap. To add the banner, first you need to go to your view controller, the one you need to add the banner to it. You need to add view, put the width as 320 and the height as 50, and you need to give it a custom class, GAD banner view, and then take IP outlet to your view controller and set the add unit. Add unit, you need to get it from your account, AdMob account. The root view controller is the self, this view controller, and load Google ad request. Okay, that's it for the banner. Now let's add another type of the ads. The second type of the ads is the interstitial ad. So you will go to the website to see how we can implement that. So we already have the Google Mobile Ads SDK implemented here in this view controller. but what we need is object from it, object from interstitial class, and same thing in the view did load. We need to init it. Then we need to load the request for it, load the Google ad request for it. So now how to show the ad? We will add a button to show this ad. So add just a normal button. Show the ad. Interstitial ad. Okay, so in here you will check if the interstitial ad is ready, then we need to present it, and from root view controller we will say self, else you can print message that saying something like it is not really. So now let's try to run and see if it will work fine. So remember always this ID is this one and this. You can get it from the AdMob website. You can go create a new app. You can go and create new app and take that ID and put it here. So let's try it, show the app. Yeah, it's working fine. Nice job. So let's check what other ads we have. We saw the banner, interstitial. The native, as I remember, it is now deprecated and it will be removed. So let's try the rewarded. Okay. So same thing, we'll take this code, put it in your view controller, and what for the rewarded ad, what is it? It is a ad that you will show to the user. If he saw the full ad, you need to give him coins or reward him with something like help or something like that. So it's something on that. It will give you a lot of money also. So before loading the ad, we need to add the delegate for it, and we'll say the delegate is self. It's showing an error here. Why? Because still we need to implement this protocol for our view controller. Google Ad Reward based view ad delegate. So it will tell us that there is some method you need to implement it, fix it. It will give us the method we need. If you need to look at all the method you can convert to, it's here. You can also copy it directly. So this one, like if the user watched the full video, it will come here to this one. This one, if it's just you have a reward ad and you are ready to show it. And this one, when the user open the reward ad, this when he start playing it, this when it's get completed, this when it get closed, this when the user need to leave the application, and this when there is some error. So the most important one for us is this one, when the user finish the video. Like I would say, give the user 100 coins, let's say. You can give him 100 coins. So how to show this ad? We will add new button here. We'll say reward me. I'll take IB action, reward me, and how to show it. Same, we'll take this code, go reward post video ad dot shared instance that is ready. If it's ready, then present it in this root view controller. So let's try. Let's try to run the app. Still it's not ready, I think. Let's wait for some time. Reward again.
This is a rewarded video test ad.
Now
Here comes the reward callback.
it's working fine. Now if the user, the video finished, the user click here on X, you will notice that let's search about this in the console to see if it's get printed. See, so it's now get printed, as you can see. So that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends, and don't forget also to subscribe for the channel. Thank you.